Arvinder Singh Lovely resigned as Delhi Congress president. He left ahead of the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. Lovely cited differences with party leadership and AAP alliance. He also objected to the selection of outsider candidates. Lovely had joined BJP in 2017 but returned to Congress after a year. He is now BJP's candidate for Gandhinagar, his stronghold. Lovely previously won 4 elections from Gandhinagar. In an interview, he explained his reasons for joining BJP again. He resigned over Congress's alliance with AAP and candidate selection. Lovely criticized AAP's mismanagement of Delhi and scandals. He said Congress ignored complaints, leading to his departure. BJP welcomed him warmly and valued his position. Around 240 Congress members, including Raj Kumar Chauhan, joined BJP. His efforts helped BJP win the 2019 Lok Sabha elections. Lovely emphasized that this transition was a well-thought-out decision. He explained that he stepped down from his DPCC role for values, not politics. Lovely denied seeking political gain or a higher position in BJP. BJP nominated him as the Gandhinagar candidate for the 2024 elections. He was also appointed to BJP's election management and manifesto committees. Lovely stated that his core belief is serving all citizens, not party politics. He praised BJP's dedication to strengthening its organization and society. He feels connected to BJP's ideology and values Prime Minister Modi's guidance. Voters in Gandhinagar have been visiting him daily for support. Lovely highlighted issues in his constituency: water, roads, and transport. He criticized AAP for neglecting development in Gandhinagar. Lovely refrains from personal attacks and urges voters to support progress. He accused AAP of blaming the centre while not fulfilling promises. He highlighted unfulfilled promises like the 1,000 rupees for women. BJP has delivered on similar promises in states like Madhya Pradesh. Lovely believes his former party's attacks on Kejriwal are politically motivated. He claimed the India Alliance seeks power without genuine reforms. Lovely expressed confidence that Delhi will choose new leadership. Public sentiment has shifted against AAP's decade-long rule. He believes AAP's unrealistic promises and excuses will hurt their campaign.